guys, my name is Jack Blair, and today I'll be talking about how I designed and fabricated the Cybertruck frame for my autonomous vehicle. Designing and printing the Cybertruck frame was one of the most fun, yet challenging parts of the project. I used the best Cybertruck frame I could find on GrabCAD and heavily modified it, carving out all the non-essential areas for support. Then, I added 3 key mounting points to clip onto the vehicle chassis. To practice sanding, painting, and finishing the frame, I created a 1/5 scale Cybertruck. It worked out super well, and now I use it on my desk to hold my AirPods. However, once it was time to print the main frame, it became very apparent to me that I would have to split up the main print, since it couldn't print in even one print, or 2. In the end, I split it up into 5 different parts, each of which I proceeded to print over the next week. It took over 100 hours of time to complete the vehicle, and around 2 kilograms of PLA plus filament. By the end of the week, I was able to place the frame loosely on the truck to see how it would look, and it kind of resembled a Cybertruck. To glue all the 3D prints together, I applied 3 coats of PVC cement, the first 2 just to glue the parts together, and the third to fill the gap in between. So far, this process has held up perfectly, even for other vehicles which I've made. Anyway, after this process, the layer lines from the 3D print were still visible, so I decided to sand the entire print to smooth the smaller gaps. For the larger ones, I used Bondo to fill them. This worked for the most part, although there are still a few areas which didn't get covered enough. As for painting, I applied 2 black coats of paint, and then another 2 coats of paint in gray for the areas that resemble the stainless steel. After all this, I drew the red and white LED bars on the front and back of the truck. After all that, the truck was finished. Now enjoy what I said in cinematic mode.
Do you feel the buzz, or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, you call it a clean break. Do you feel the buzz, baby? Do you feel the buzz?
Do you feel it in the air? Isn't just me, Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Isn't just me, Isn't just me.
Do you feel the buzz, or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, baby? Do you feel the buzz?